Hi, my name is Anna White. I'm glad to be able to provide a free plan for a two-piece wooden beach chair. I love wood chairs because they're repairable, the wood is reusable, and the wood is biodegradable. Download the free plans through the link in the description. They include shopping list and cut list, as well as two different versions, a 2x2 frame and a 1x2 frame. For each chair, you'll need one cedar fence picket and 1x2 boards, 1 1/4 inch self-tapping screws, and glue. The cedar fence pickets may be rough, so sand them first. Then cut everything according to the cut list in the free plans. The easiest way to cut is with a compound miter saw or a chop saw, but you can also use a circular saw or even a jigsaw. Build the seat back frame first by taking the 30-inch long 1x2s and marking them 5 inches up. Then at the top, add one cedar fence picket. Only add 2 screws at the top because we're going to need to adjust the frame for square in the next step. Then add the 1x2 at the base that's measured 5 inches up with glue. You'll need to work quick here because that glue is drying. Take opposite diagonal measurements and adjust until the 2 diagonal measurements match. With the seat back frame square, finish screwing off the top cedar fence picket and then add 2 more. Now flip the back frame over and add the remaining 1x2 8.5 inches up from the bottom. Use a square and glue to attach. Set the back frame aside and we'll work on the seat frame. Use glue and screws to attach the shortest 1x2 to the seat frame legs with screws. Then set the seat frame inside the back frame. It should be about 1/4 inch smaller, so there'll be an even gap on each side. Now attach the remaining 2 cedar fence pickets to the inner 1x2 that's on the seat frame. Since we know the back frame is square, building the seat frame inside the back frame helps us build the seat frame square. Then remove the seat frame from the back frame and flip it over and insert the seat frame into the back frame and test it out. So for the finish, we used a semi-transparent stain. I believe it was Behr Whitewash was the color. And I love how it turned out. It kind of gave it a beachy look and it kind of tied in the cedar boards with the frame boards. Speaking of the frame, this chair I used the 1x2 frame on. The other chair is a 2x2 frame. I feel like this 1x2 frame is fine for me. If you want heavier people, go for the 2x2 frame. This chair is actually really easy to customize, so if you want to change like the angle, make the back taller, all those things are really easy to accomplish. Thanks for watching. The plans are linked in the description. We'll see you in our next video.